screens. One is a transaction screen on the bottom, and above is advertisement or information screen. Now I will demonstrate how a customer makes a payment, a demo of making a payment, mobile recharge payment on the kiosk. So on the kiosk you see there are pictures of various services, like there is a telephony shown by telephone, TV, insurance, e-money, utility payments. So all the options are there. Customer can easily identify which provider they want to pay. So I am going to demonstrate you a payment to a mobile. Now in this I got logos of all the mobile operators. So I am going to make a payment for Idea Telecom. I then select Idea, and then we have an option for full talk time or flexi recharge or postpaid. I select an option of Idea Flexi. Within Flexi it shows me option for denomination 10, 20, 30, 50, 80, 100, 200. I select option of 50. Then there is a numeric keyboard where I have to enter my number. So my number is 8, 7, 4, 5, 0, 4, 4, 8, 4, 7. I reconfirm my number 874 504 4847. Then move to the next step by pressing forward. It shows me the number. I recheck the number. Number is correct and denomination is correct. 50. Then it shows that it is creating a receipt for the payment. Now I can have an option of putting 50 rupees, or if I have a change, so I am putting 220 and 110. System also sends the note, so I am putting a 20 rupee note. Now you see the system has sent 20 rupees, it is shown that 20 rupees have been received. Now I am inserting another 20 rupees. Now system shows 40 rupees has been accepted. I put another 10 rupees. Now it is 50. So 50 rupees recharge was there and inserted amount is 50. Now I have received a receipt that this recharge for 50 rupees has been done. And SMS to the mobile number has already been received. So this is the way where, as you have seen, that it is very simple to operate, and we are operating these machines from last 2 years, and we have seen adoption of these machines in urban as well as rural area, and any kind of customers, literate, illiterate or semi-literate, are able to use these machines effectively. In addition to this, these machines can be used for banking services. They can have a wide reference of use in transport segment, wherever we have a longer queues, those queues can be reduced with the help of these kiosks, where customers can help themselves and buy the tickets and pay for the money themselves. We look forward to using of more of these machines by our customers and increasing the number of services to be used by our customers on these machines. Thank you.